Running a trade business solo? That means you're wearing every hat. Tradie, bookkeeper, scheduler, and customer service rep. And let's be honest, that often means late nights catching up on admin, chasing overdue invoices, and sometimes losing track of job details or follow-ups. That's where Fergus comes in. Our job management software keeps you organised, cuts down admin time, and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Quote and invoice on the go, right from your phone, so you're not stuck doing paperwork after hours. Look professional with branded quotes and invoices, plus automated follow-ups to make sure no job or payment gets forgotten. Reduce double handling and simplify your workflow by integrating Fergus with your accounting software, saving you time, effort, and hassle when tax time rolls around. Stay on top of every job with tasks, client history, and job notes all in one place. No more digging through paperwork and emails. And as your business grows, Fergus grows with you. Whether you stay solo or build a team, we help you stay organised so you can take on more work with confidence. Even if you're a one-man band, Fergus makes life easier. Less admin, more time on the tools, and a business that runs smoothly. Start your free trial today.